What's up guys, and welcome back to another Jax560 video. And in today's video, Fortnite has finally returned. After a year of waiting, it is finally back, and I think it's time to check out this new update. Now, the pumpkin launcher, yes, the weapon from season 1, has now returned with this new update. So in this video, I'm going to be trying to find it. Now, hopefully we can find it on some of our first chests so we can get the most amount of use out of it. See? Nope. What about this one? Yes. Okay, there we go. The pumpkin launcher. It is back, and now we got our hands on it. Is this going to be our first player? Yep. There we go. First elim. What's this other player doing? There we go. Double elims. Except we didn't use the pumpkin launcher. Third kill coming up. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Tagged once. Oh, so close. I'm missing. There we go. 27. Oh, no. Keep on missing. Okay, there we go. We got it. 30 elimination. I thought we were going to be done there. What's this other play doing? No, I can't use my pumpkin launcher. Alright, well, that is 4 kills already. Let's go. Oh. What did I do? Wait, what? Oh, he just eliminated himself with a pumpkin launcher? Oh, and we got a llama. Alright, that's pretty good. Now we'll have some shields from this llama. Let's get it. Is that a player down there? Wait, yeah, that's a player. Let's see if we can get him. Where is he? There he is? No. There we go. Oh, he's all the way down there. Okay, well, we'll just let him down there for a while. Bunch of wolves there. There we go. Oh, that's not good. We just got sniped. Alright, we gotta heal up, and storm's coming. No. Okay, let's just, let's play chill, Let's use this shield. I can't use it. Alright, this is not good. Good thing we got the llama because it had a chug cannon, but we might need to clutch this up. Where are these other players? All I know is that there's 6 players alive. Oh, and that's another player. Players everywhere. I think I really need to clutch this up. Where is this other player? I think he's right up there. Hope I don't get eliminated. Oh, I was not expecting that. Where is he? There we go. Really? Aw, man. I gotta get this video out.